Hi lovely, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a DIY hair mask that is perfect for dry or damaged hair. So you're going to need a banana, and bananas are great because they're packed with vitamin A, B, C and E, and this helps to maintain hair's elasticity. You're also going to need honey, and honey is great for a number of reasons, including helping to reduce breakage and shedding and also softening hair. And lastly, you're going to need coconut oil. Now, I should not even have to tell you about coconut oil because everybody and their mother, grandmother, aunt, sister has been on coconut oil. But some of the benefits of coconut oil includes deep conditioning the hair, helping to nourish the hair, as well as moisturizing one's scalp. So I'm taking half of a banana and I am cutting this into smaller chunks so that it's easier for it to blend. Then add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'm going to blend all of these ingredients together in my blender until it's nice and smooth. So I'm taking a small bowl which is going to serve as a container for my DIY hair mask, and I'm taking a strainer. And I'm using this because you don't want chunks of banana all throughout your hair. So I'm going to dump the contents of the mixture into the strainer and into the bowl, and then I'm just going to sieve it and make sure that it is completely smooth so that you don't get any chunks or lumps or any of that in your hair. And once that's done, as I said, sieve. Once that's done, you should have a smooth mixture which looks something like this.